How to create a target account. So if you want to create a target account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for target, and after searching you will have www.target.com on the first search. Click on that, and then to create your account you can go to sign in, which is on the upper right corner, and now you will have a create account option on the second line. You can simply click on create account. And now to create your target account, first you have to enter your email address, and after entering your email address you have to enter your first and last name, and after entering your first and last name you have to enter your mobile number, but this is optional, you can skip that part. And on the last blank you have to create a password, so the password must contain at least 8 to 20 characters. And then if you want to keep your credentials saved on your laptop, then you can click on this, but if you don't want to save it, then you have to unclick it. And now you have to create a password, and after creating the password you have to scroll down and then click on create account. And now you can scroll down and you can skip this part. And that's it. That's how you create a target account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.